Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, it is a collaboration hosted by Wanda over from Miss Amaechi, where we will be bringing you all a happy homemaking. Happy homemaking is basically the definition of showing you all a day in my life where you guys get to see the elements of running my home and maintaining my home. So it's very similar to a reset. I am the co-host, Ciara. If you are a new subscriber, please be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any other content. So we just got some new sheets in the mail today for Skylar's birthday. So I'm going to be washing these. They just need to be washed before I put them on her bed because that's just how I am. So I will be using all. So here's all three fitted pieces: the fitted sheet, the pillowcase, and the square sheet. So yes, being a homemaker and keeping my home intact is one of the things that I love to do weekly, to where I make sure my house is clean, and also so that I make sure that I am on track. I tend to clean my bathroom twice a week, but I wanted to show you all just exactly what I do when I do clean my bathroom. Most of the time I go ahead and get a lot of things done around the house by myself. I don't wait around on help as far as what to clean, or tell Charles what to clean, because that's just how I am. I'd rather just get it done. When it comes to maintaining my home, it's very easy because there's only certain things that need to be done on a weekly basis as well as a daily basis. On a daily, of course, I need to go in and clean the living room up and the kitchen, because who wants to wake up to dirty dishes? Who also wants to wake up to a dirty living room where they can't sit in or sit on before needing to get ready for work the next morning? I also tend to do a weekly cleaning of the bathroom and tub, just because, and then I also do like a weekly cleaning of like vacuuming, sweeping, cleaning, floors, as well as like making sure the kids are cleaning up their rooms. That's on a daily as well. Weekly, I do go ahead and get all of the dishes out, everything thrown away from food from the beginning of the week or even from the end of the week, and then I go ahead and wash those things. I make sure that I'm putting things away. And of course, in order to maintain my home, I have to feed my family of 4. So in today's video, I was making some chicken and dumplings. I was shredding the chicken in this dish, and I think it's about time for me to make it again. It's been about 3 or 4 weeks now. This was made for my grandmother so that we all could have lunch for the week. So I made enough for my family of 4 to have for dinner that night and leftovers as well as for her. So I, on a daily, am fixing dinner for my 2 kiddos and myself, and that's just how that is. Every day I am taking out 1 to 2 loads of trash. I do a daily cleaning of the trash can just because, like, I don't want nets and bugs and stuff in my home, so try to do the best that I can. I refill up on like my condiments and you know, my dry products, refilling the flour, sugar, stuff like that. And so in today's video, I did go ahead and make a fall pot, and I needed to change the calendar because it was a whole different month now. It is now October, and I refill up on my K-pods just so that I'm ready for the week and don't have to worry about searching for them. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the playlist linked in the description box down below, and thank you all for watching.